Today we're going to have a look at how we overcome one of the most common problems in the shop. The stripped out aluminum lug nut. The grip edge socket extractor is designed to be hammered on for maximum engagement, maximum grip. To remove the lug nut from the socket, Gripedge has designed the foreign object removal screw that threads in through the back, making removal of the foreign object from the socket nice and easy. The Gripedge socket extractor has such a tremendous grip on this rounded lug nut that the forcing screw has pushed itself through the tip of that soft aluminum cap. When you find yourself in a situation like this, or you're working with an open-ended lug nut, simply thread the lug nut back down onto the lug stud, and the lug stud will become the resistance for the forcing screw to push the socket off of the lug nut. Let's just have a look and you can see just how rounded that lug nut was. And you can see the different points of contact that the Gripedge socket extractor made on that lug nut. Rounded lug nuts, rounded locks, the Gripedge socket extractor, that's the one you want to reach for each and every time.